Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix subscription active in ElevenLabs. So if you see subscription that's active message in ElevenLabs, it usually means your payments didn't go through, expired, or the account isn't properly linked to the paid plan. So to fix that issue, let's first check if the payments actually went through. And to do that, you will need to go with the profile right here or the profile icon at the top right corner, and then just go with subscription. So on that page you will need to look for the paid information or the paid message. So that means the subscription should be active. If it failed, the payment didn't process, and if it's incomplete, that means the 3D secure or bank verification failed. So if it says failed, retry the payments or update your card. Okay, so to retry the payments, go ahead again and go with your plan, then just go with continue monthly or yearly, it's up to you, and then just retry right here. So you should select the same plan to reactivate it. Okay, then all you need to do is to confirm the payments and wait 1 to 2 minutes and refresh the page as well. Also, you can, just in case, to make sure, you can go ahead and log out or sign out from your account, and then just close the browser completely from the task manager. So just right click on the taskbar and go with the task manager, and then go and over on the browser, right click on it and go with end task, and after that just reopen it and go with ElevenLabs.io, sign into your account and check the subscription. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.